Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be taking a look at a collaboration with KITH and ASICS. This is on the KITH ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1 and it is in the Cream Pure Aqua colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. For joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with KITH and ASICS on the KITH ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this nice clean color combination. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who are huge fans of the brand KITH, you'll know that Ronnie has done so many collaborations with so many different brands, and he's definitely jumped into the collaboration field with the ASICS team. So ASICS is by far one of my comfiest sneaker brands and go-to sneaker brands that I've worn for a very, very long time. Was super excited to test out this Gel-Kayano 12.1, which is basically a retooling of the Gel-Kayano 12. So if you're a fan of the Gel-Kayano 12, definitely want to try this one out. The only other difference here is that the bottom portion of the sneaker, so the midsole region, is more like the Nimbus 17. So it's a dual combination of those two sneakers infused into one. As far as the color scheme goes, I really love the colorway that Ronnie decided to go with. So we do have just a nice subtle white textured meshing on the toe box here, but I really love the tumbled leather in this metallic silver. I really think that it pops so well off of the white. And then I absolutely love this mint colored spaghetti lace. I think that this is something you don't often see, and it does have a bit of a sheen to it. So I think that reflective colorway actually hits the light perfectly. You do get three other colorway options: a white, a beige, and then a beige and a silver tone. So if you're not feeling the mint green, you can swap out. Though I do think the mint just pairs quite nicely with those tiger stripes on the side. Then on the eyelets, we're getting that really nice high quality tumbled silver on the side paneling. And then we've got the nice same silver material here on the top of the tongue. And then we've got KITH's branding here in that minty fresh branding color scheme. And then on the other side, we've got KITH branding as well. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, this is where we're getting more of that minty light green seafoam tone on the side, and it's very pearlescent as well in this white. And then in between we've got the white meshing and then more of the silver on the side panels, which work its way to the back. Then we've got some black and charcoal silver integrated in there as well with a ASICS branding logo. Then we have the Gel-Kayano 12.1 debossed on the side here. And then wrapping around to the medial side, had the same exact color blocking, same exact materials as you saw on the lateral side. The interior is in white and metallic silver, and it does say KITH on the inside as well. And then we've got a nice just off beige tone here in a lighter shade with the fluid ride technology printed there. And then the midsole is in a nice just simple white and black tone, and the outsole is in the cream black and white shade. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I sized up on these, and I'm so glad that I got these in the size 8 because these fit me perfectly. I feel like if I would have gone true size, this actually would have been a bit too small. So I would highly recommend sizing half a size up. I do feel like this Gel-Kayano 12.1 runs a little bit on the more snug side of things. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this. Really just cool color combination. Again, I do think that silver is ultra super trendy right now, so definitely a fun palette to play with. So for the first look, I decided to wear a black and white button down that had some bow prints on it with some simple just light denim wide with pants. Then for the second look, I decided to wear an all white look. So I went head to toe with a button down white mesh top and then a white crop tank underneath with a matching ribbed white maxi skirt. And then for the last and final look, I decided to go with a little bit more pops of color. So I wore this red kind of terry cloth quarter button down shirt with a nice simple white mini skirt.
You had enough, but you never had it rough. We're just having fun. Someone tell him not to run. Told you I come alive when I drive through the woods at night. It's a fine line. This is yours and this is mine. Wake your hunter's mind. Tear apart what you can find. Raining no umbrella, not just Cinderella. Wanna go like hell, yeah. Show me how you get on. Waited enough. Now it's time to show up in your new form. In your new form. In your new form. In your new form. ridiculously sharp. You're hunting.
As far as retail goes, this retailed at $180 and they're currently going between $260 to $330, so a little bit of resale on there. Again, ASICS have been just incredibly hard to secure, so that makes sense as to why this is a little bit higher on the resale market currently. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.
I can see what you've seen, if you know what I mean. That's the reason we made it so far.